Your phone was at 80%, now it's dead, and it's not even lunchtime. Sound familiar? Here's the thing, your phone isn't broken. It's being drained by settings you probably didn't even know were running. And here's a fact that might shock you. The average smartphone loses up to 20% of its battery every single day, doing absolutely nothing, just sitting in your pocket. Today, I'm giving you 7 fixes you can do right now, literally while you watch this video. That will dramatically improve your battery life. These work for both Android and iPhone users, and I promise, no tech degree required. Let's fix this. Fix number 1, and this is the biggest battery killer most people ignore. Your screen brightness. Your display uses more power than almost anything else on your phone. If your brightness is cranked up to maximum, you're basically watching your battery evaporate in real time. Here's what to do. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and turn on Auto Brightness. You'll find it under Accessibility, then Display. On Android, go to Settings, Display, and enable Adaptive Brightness. This lets your phone automatically adjust based on your environment instead of blasting at full power all day. Quick tip. If you're indoors, you probably don't need more than 40 to 50% brightness. Your eyes will adjust. Alright, that was the easy one. This next fix? It's sneaky. Fix number 2. Background app refresh. Here's what's happening. Apps like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter are constantly refreshing in the background, even when you're not using them. They're checking for new posts, updating feeds, loading content, all while your phone is in your pocket. That takes battery, a lot of battery. On iPhone, go to Settings General, Background App Refresh. Now, here's the key. Don't turn it completely off. Instead, go through the list and disable it for apps that don't need real-time updates. Keep it on for messaging apps like WhatsApp. Turn it off for social media. On Android Chitrice, go to Settings, Apps. Select the app, then Battery, and choose Optimized or Restricted. This one change alone can save you 10 to 15% battery per day. Fix number 3, Location Services. This one's a battery vampire. GPS is incredibly power hungry, and way too many apps are tracking your location 24/7 for no good reason. Think about it. Does that random game you downloaded really need to know where you are? Does a weather app need your location all the time? Probably not. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Change apps from Always to While Using or Never. On Android, go to Settings, Location, App Permissions. Same thing. Switch apps to Only While Using. Keep location on for maps and ride-sharing apps. Everything else? Lock it down. Now, real quick, I need to bust a battery myth here. Some people think closing all your apps constantly saves battery. This is actually the opposite of true. When you force close apps and reopen them, your phone uses more power to reload everything from scratch. Let your phone manage apps automatically. It's designed to do that. Okay, fix number 4. Push email and notifications. Every time your phone pings a server to check for new email, it uses battery. If you've got push enabled, your phone is checking constantly. Sometimes every few minutes. Here's the fix. On iPhone, Settings, Mail, Accounts, Fetch New Data. Change push to fetch and set it to every 15 or 30 minutes, or even manually if you don't need instant emails. On Android, open Gmail desconcentrating on mine for skandebui G lines or taupenturilio. Tap your profile picture, settings, then your email account, and change sync frequency. Same goes for notifications. Go through your apps and turn off notifications for anything that isn't truly important. You don't need a notification every time someone likes a post. Fix number 5, dark mode. If your phone has an OLED screen, and most newer phones do, dark mode can genuinely save battery. Here's why. OLED screens turn off individual pixels when displaying black. Less pixels lit up means less power used. On iPhone, Settings, Display and Brightness, select dark. On Android, Settings, Display, Dark Theme. Bonus tip, set a dark wallpaper too, it actually helps. Now this next one is the fix that 90% of users get completely wrong. Fix number 6, find and fix your battery draining apps. Your phone actually tells you exactly which apps are eating your battery. Most people never check this. On iPhone, go to Settings, Battery. Scroll down and you'll see a list of apps and how much battery each one used in the last 24 hours or 10 days. On Android, Settings, Battery usage. Now here's what you'll probably find. Social media apps like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat are almost always at the top. These apps are designed to keep running, keep refreshing, and keep you engaged, which means they keep draining. What can you do? First, use the browser version instead of the app when possible. Facebook and Safari or Chrome uses way less battery than the Facebook app. Second, limit your time in these apps. I know, easier said than done, but even 30 fewer minutes per day makes a noticeable difference. And here's another quick myth. Turning on battery saver mode all the time will protect your battery long term. Not true. Battery saver limits performance and can actually make your phone work harder in some situations. Use it when you're actually low on battery, not as a daily setting. And finally, fix number 7, connectivity features. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, NFC, and AirDrop are all constantly searching for connections when they're on. That takes power. Here's my rule. If you're not using it, turn it off. Not using Bluetooth? Turn it off. Not near Wi-Fi? Turn it off so your phone stops searching. AirDrop on iPhone? Set it to receiving off when you don't need it. On Android, disable features like nearby share and Wi-Fi scanning when they're not needed. Also, if you're in an area with weak cellular signal, your phone works overtime trying to find a connection. That drains battery fast. In those situations, airplane mode is your friend. Alright, let's recap the 7 fixes real quick. 1. Lower your screen brightness and use auto brightness. 2. Disable background app refresh for apps that don't need it. 3. Change location services from always to while using. 4. Switch email from push to fetch. 5. Enable dark mode if you have an OLED screen. 6. Check your battery usage and limit power-hungry apps. And 7. Turn off connectivity features when you're not using them. Do even 3 or 4 of these, and I guarantee you'll notice a difference by tomorrow. Now here's something most people don't realize. The way you charge your phone matters just as much as how you use it. And there's one charging habit that's slowly destroying your battery over time. I'm covering that in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below and tell me, which fix are you trying first? And if you have a battery tip I didn't mention, share it with everyone. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.